Okay, I have foiled my pieces around, used a stick to make sure all the copper is flat as best can be. I'm going to take some flux, put it all around very lightly on the foil. And there's a train. Great. I use pliers to hold the piece. Got my iron on high. I have temperature setting, but since I have the smaller iron, I keep it on high. I already have a little bit of flux on here, but I'm going to tin it on my salt ammonia black. You can't see that. It's very smoky. Make it all shiny with some solder. And then just run it along the edge. Don't hold it still. Grab a little more. Run it on the other side. Down the middle. And just keep going around. When you get a spot that you can't get the solder to stick, you have to reapply a little bit of flux. Do that. Get that on there. Run it around again. And smoke it in the face. I like to do it outside so I don't have to wear my mask. Very important. Turned it around. And you don't need a lot of solder. Don't glob it, or you'll just have big blobs that you have to take care of, or sometimes you can throw it down. Turn it one more time. Make sure I got all the spots. And if you have a lump that's sharp, you add a little bit of like right here, it's bumpy. And you can just tap your iron and it smooths it out. So that looks pretty good. I like to take my non-ammonia cleaner, give it a squirt on a paper towel, and wipe it around. If you have any black charcoaly spots, you can take the little scrubber that they offer, or a little bit of light steel wool. Not hard, just do it lightly, but it looks pretty good here. So I started a project, and I want to fit this piece hopefully right here, and I'm just holding it. Put a little flux where they meet. A little bit of solder. Tap it. These are one of my funky sea glass, sea pottery holders. Sometimes if you can't get that solder to go together, I have to tap it down gently. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Another spot. There we go. I'll show a finished product when I'm done.